Last episode, we tried to launch the production for the supermarket order, but we could not because materials was not available. And without raw materials like bottles, cups, and labels, TA can't manufacture anything. So from the legacy system they use, the problems are no visibility on what to order, the tracking of raw materials is done in another software, and there is no connection between production needs and also purchasing. Now with Odoo, TA knows what to manufacture, what are needed, how much to order, and also which supplier they will afford to. So in this episode, I will go through purchase an MRP that will allow the replenishment, and then we will see vendors and cost, and normally with this the reordering rules. The workflow is as follow. First of all, they have to replenish because there are no products. We have here 3 products that are not available. We can see also from the overview here that presents somehow the the forecasting, and also I can say this is the stock valuation of the products. The same can be uh, view here. You can check it here in BOM, in bill of material, BOM overview. We have it, and we can select forecast here to see the forecasting and everything. So from this, uh, first of all, each product needs to be uh, linked to some vendors. In the case of caps here, I have this vendor, the only vendor I have actually in the system, which is Plastic Fab. And from this product, from any product, it's possible to come here in the small j icon and click replenish. From there, you will choose the quantity you need, the route that is needed, and the vendor will be taken into consideration automatically. From that, here is one purchase order I have already created during this process. I have one for the bottle 500 milliliter and the caps, but actually in our current manufacturing order, we need empty bottle of 1 liter and labels, TA labels. So what we have to do is come here. We have 2 ways to do that, as I was explaining. If I group the product here by category, I have finished product and raw materials. This is one we need. So empty bottle 1 liter has this vendor. We can just came here, replenish. We need maybe 10 quantity. The preferred route is buy, and we confirm. You see, it will be added to our current purchase order. Another one we need is label, and to do that, we can do the replenishment here automatically in the inventory. Uh, we have operations. In operation, we have replenishment. From there, we can set replenishment, and a a cron job, an action will be running every day to check the products, which product is has less than the minimum quantity, and they will replenish to have the quantity we need. So actually what we can do for the labels, we can come just came here. We need TA labels. The minimum quantity should be 1 and the maximum 10 again. So from there we can automate. So the cron job I was talking about will run, let's say tomorrow, and see, okay, we have 0 quantity, and it will do the replenishment to get 10 quantity. Now we can just do it here by hand. We will order, it will be added here again, and we can come to the purchase order here. We have all the products we are replenishing. We have the quantities. I will show you something interesting regarding the quantity and the prices here. So I will just confirm the order and receive. Once we receive, actually no tracking is set like serial numbers and so on. We will do it through this series. Then we will have everything. Now we can just validate our order. So we have it. We can look here to see all the stock moves. And now we are ready to continue with our manufacturing order. You see here, all products actually are available. What product are we building? We are producing this product. And from this product, something really interesting is regarding the costs. You see here, I can compute the price from the BOM to see the real cost. Actually, the cost is zero and the sales price have been set as true. So if I came here, I compute the prices, I see that the cost in total based on the bill of material of this product, here's the bill of material. We have this small icon here, and then we have the bill of material. So based of this bill of material, you see, we have this cost, €3.40. And what is the forecast? Everything is available. We have everything actually. So you see that we have the real cost and that this sales price is obviously not good if we sell this bottle at this price. So we can just update to see, okay, maybe we will sell it at €5 and so on. So that's it. Actually, what we have set, we could set from the first episode, the master data and bill of material. Today, we saw how we can do the replenishment and everything that goes with. Also, the reordering rules, as I have explained here in the inventory with this replenishment in the operations menu. Actually, we have nothing because we already have everything ordered, but these are the things we need we have ordered. And finally, we could receive the materials and then start the production. Next episode, we will see how the sales will be going on, and I hope this will be very helpful for you. So do not hesitate to give comments and let's grow together. Let's build this episode, this series of TA Beverage together. See you.